Hey there, car insurance enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that's got everyone talking. The skyrocketing costs of car insurance and why it's becoming a real headache for drivers. Now I know what you're thinking. Another article about rising insurance premiums? But trust me, this one's a game changer. So buckle up as we explore the reasons behind the 50% surge in car insurance rates in just 6 years, and why it's not just about the cars we drive. First things first, let's talk about the numbers. According to the Insurance Council of Australia, car insurance premiums have skyrocketed by a staggering 42% in the last 5 years. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now you might be thinking, what's driving this massive increase? Well, it's not just about the cars we're driving. The shift towards larger vehicles like SUVs and the growing popularity of electric vehicles, EVs, are major factors. SUVs, for instance, accounted for over 65% of new car sales in Australia in July 2026, up from just 37% in 2016. And let's not forget the Strait of Hormuz's fuel price crisis, which has pushed more people towards EVs. But here's the catch. While the cost of insuring these vehicles is rising, the reasons behind the premium hikes are often shrouded in mystery. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission ASIC has stepped in, and their findings are eye-opening. In a survey of over 2,000 customers, they discovered that a whopping 31% of respondents secured lower prices just by contacting their existing insurer to challenge the premium increase. Now that's a powerful stat, and it raises some serious questions about the transparency of the insurance industry. You see, the issue isn't just about the cars we drive. It's about the lack of clarity in how insurance companies justify their price hikes. Insurers are relying on generic explanations hidden in supplementary documents, leaving customers in the dark. And it's not just about the price, it's about the trust. When customers feel like they're being kept in the dark, it erodes that trust, and that's a big deal in a highly competitive market. Now let's talk about the implications. The rise in insurance premiums is not just a headache for drivers. It's a reflection of the changing landscape of the automotive industry. As we move towards larger, more complex vehicles, the cost of repairs and maintenance is going up. And that's not just a burden for drivers. It's a burden for insurers too. EVs, for instance, require specialized skills and equipment to repair, adding to the overall cost. But here's the twist. Despite the rising costs, insurers are not bound by caps limiting premium increases. This means that while the true cost of providing cover is changing, the premiums are not necessarily reflecting that. And that's where the pressure comes in. As ASIC Commissioner Alan Kirkland pointed out, the more people who challenge their renewal hikes, the more pressure insurers will feel to be transparent and competitive. So what does this mean for drivers? Well, it's time to take control. Don't just accept the first offer. Pick up the phone and challenge the premium increase. It might just save you a bundle. And remember, in a highly competitive market, your loyalty isn't a one-way street. Insurers need you, and they need to earn your trust. In my opinion, this whole situation highlights the need for greater transparency and accountability in the insurance industry. It's not just about the cars we drive. It's about the trust we place in those who insure them. So, the next time you renew your car insurance, take a step back and think about it. Is the premium increase justified? Are you getting the information you need to make an informed decision? Because in my book, transparency and trust are non-negotiable. And that's the takeaway for today. The world of car insurance is evolving, and it's up to us to keep up. So stay tuned and let's keep the conversation going. Because in my opinion, the more we talk about these issues, the more we can drive change. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just accept the status quo. Challenge it.